Dear student, welcome to the virtual class of biology. Today our topic is sense organs of frog. Here in frog, eyes are also the sense organ for vision. Tongue is for taste. Air receives sound waves as well as it creates the balance in the body. Skin is for touch and nose is for smell. Here in this class, we will study major sense organs of ear and eye in detail because these two sense organs are very much important. Receptors are found in frog and get the information from the environment and send to the brain. These receptors send sensation to central nervous system via nerves. The frog has many types of receptors. The sense of touch, the smell, and the taste. All of them have some type of receptors. Ears has a particular receiving sound waves receptors and maintaining balance, while the eyes has receiving light. Dear student, as you see that picture, it is a vertical section of eye of frog. And if you carefully see the labeling of it, you see that first outermost layer of eye is sclerotic. Have you found it? It provides shape to the eyeball. Choroid is the second layer of eye which lies below the sclerotic and richly supplied with blood capillaries. It forms separate from sclerotic in the middle of the eyeball. The iris has a window that is called pupil which contains eye lens. Iris divided the eyeball into two parts. Have you seen that two parts in the picture? Number one is vitreous chamber, that is the posterior big chamber, and it contains fluid that is called vitreous humor, and the interior small chamber that has called aqueous chamber, and it contains a fluid which is called aqueous humor. The function of choroid is to supply food to different parts of eye. It supplies nutrients to retina as well. The third part of eye is called retina. Are you seeing retina in the picture? Find it out. The third layer of eyeball is called retina. It is also known as screen of the eye. It is the most sensory layer of the eyeball. It contains photoreceptor cell. It has a connection with the brain due to nerve fibers. Its function is to form the image of the object, to transmit the information about the image to brain. When light rays coming from an object fall on the eye, then lens, vitreous humor, aqueous humor focus the light rays on retina. When an inverted and real image of objects form, the image is transmitted to brain, and the brain and nervous system decided about the nature of the image. Like other vertebrate, frog has the hearing organ that is called ear, but it consists of three layers: external ear, middle ear, internal ear. Now you have to concentrate over the diagram that we are giving you. External ear. External ear consists of a bone. The vibration is produced in external ear when sound waves strike with it. Middle ear. Middle ear consists of a tympanic membrane and On the inner side of the membrane is a cavity that is called tympanic cavity. If you see the picture, you will see that the cavity contains small rod-like bones called ossicles. The middle layer is connected to internal layer by a tube, which is called eustachian tube. It transfers the vibrations towards the internal air. Internal air is a very delicate organ. It consists of three semicircular canals. As you see in the picture, these canals are filled with a fluid and sensory cells are located at the places in these canals. Function of the air is to collect the sound waves which strike the tympanic membrane. It is set into vibration. It is in turn vibrate an internal air, and thus sound wave stimulate the hearing receptors in the inner ear. In addition to hearing, it also keeps the balance of the body. Children, now it's time to wrap up our lesson. Today we studied sense organs of frog. Frog has ear, eye, nose, tongue and skin as a sense organ. Dear student, to make useful our lesson, we are giving you home assignment. Revise the sense organs of frog. Practice the diagram of vertical section of eye and ear 2 times. We hope so that you will do it with interest. See you. Allah Hafiz till the next class.